Hello everyone, let's dive into the Kingston Fury Beast 128GB DDR4 memory kit. This kit isn't playing around. We're talking serious capacity with 432GB sticks running at a speedy 3,600 metric tons S. If you're a content creator, hardcore gamer, or someone who juggles multiple demanding applications, this RAM kit could be a game changer. First impressions are positive. The low-profile RGB lighting is sleek and won't overpower your build. The patented Kingston Fury infrared sync technology is a neat touch, ensuring the lighting effects across all modules are perfectly synchronized. No more mismatched colors or patterns. It adds a level of polish that elevates the overall aesthetic of your system. Installation is a breeze, especially if you're running an Intel Xempiretti or AMD Ryzen system. The kit is designed to automatically overclock to the advertised speed, so you don't have to fiddle with complicated BIOS settings. For those running at 2,666 metric tons S, the plug-and-play functionality is a welcome addition. The performance is where this kit truly shines. With 128GB of RAM, you can say goodbye to memory bottlenecks. Games load faster, video editing is smoother, and multitasking becomes a breeze. The 3,600 metric tons S speed ensures that your CPU has plenty of bandwidth to work with, resulting in snappier overall system responsiveness. The CL18 latency is decent for this speed and capacity, striking a good balance between speed and stability. While this kit is undoubtedly impressive, it's important to consider whether you truly need 128GB of RAM. For most users, 32GB or 64GB is more than sufficient. However, if you're pushing the limits of your system with demanding workloads, the Kingston Fury Beast 128GB DDR4 kit is a worthwhile investment. It offers a combination of performance, aesthetics, and ease of use that is hard to beat.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.